In 2017, the Myanmar military launched a brutal campaign of violence against the Rohingya people, including widespread sexual and gender-based violence, resulting in a devastating impact on the Rohingya community. Nearly 6 years later, Legal Action Worldwide, shortly known as LAW, conducted research and analyzed its continuing impacts on SGBV survivors, including Rohingya women, men, and Hijra. With a team of psychologists, a medical doctor, and lawyers, LAW conducted a survey through desk review, psychological evaluations, focus group discussions, and key informant interviews. The participants were subjected to rape, gang rape, and other forms of SGBV, often committed in public in front of family and neighbors. Law's research found that the physical injuries due to SGBV committed during the 2017 clearance operations have had long-term consequences on survivors. Also, all survivors shared severe psychological injuries, which left them in extreme emotional distress. Survivors of SGBV faced difficulties in their family and extended relationships. Additionally, many survivors were excluded from their communities, leaving them without the support they need. Survivors, in the wake of such violence, experienced a profound loss of cultural identity, leaving them with a sense of powerlessness and diminished social roles within their own society. From this analysis, Law found there are reasonable grounds to believe that the Myanmar military's conduct in 2017 can be legally categorized as 2 acts of genocide against Rohingya, in violation of Myanmar's obligation under the Genocide Convention, that is, causing serious or bodily harm to members of the group and imposing measures intended to prevent births within the group. The SGBV forms part of the military's larger genocidal plan targeting the Rohingya group for destruction. Considering the extent of harm, the irreparable loss, and the ongoing trauma, survivors in this report call on the world to take action for justice, accountability, and their protection. In response to this call, Law recommends urgently holding Myanmar accountable for international crimes against Rohingya, ensuring continuous engagement of SGBV survivors in international justice proceedings, and prioritizing funding for quality and long-term specialized sexual and reproductive health, shortly known as SRH services, and psychological support for survivors across genders.